Alright, so I ordered these horns, which are supposed to be Toyota fit. I got a RAV4 2025 LE version. The horns are kind of, meat meat instead of nice and meaty. So this, from the reviews, everyone said it's good. Now you'll notice I already took this off. This is the shroud that goes here, and these pins go into the holes to hold it in. And also, you have to undo two screws, which are these that go into here. And then what I actually did was tried taking out the two screws for this because this hood release is in the way. Didn't seem to do anything. I think there's another bolt underneath, so I just manhandled the shroud out from underneath there, pulling up on one side at a time. Hopefully I can get it back in. So what I gotta do is try and see if I can do a before and after horn. Okay, so this is it from the inside. So now the current horn, I'm not sure if you can see it, so here's the connector. It's got a little nib. It comes out fairly easy. It's you know what, I'll probably take it off and then show you what it's like, but I'm going to undo that screw because according to this, we'll see if I can put this on there. I'm going to have to angle it 45 down, so we'll see if it fits there. Ideally that's what it will be. So unfortunately I can't do it with two hands, but there is a small screw back here I'm going to take off. Okay, so as I mentioned, I was going to try and pull off the bottom one, but I had to go for the top one. So see how there's this. This also came with something similar. So here, so I'm going to have to do the same. Okay, so there's the old, and there's the new. It's obviously bigger, quite a bit. It's like twice the size. So I put this on now. Be careful because there's a bigger hole and a smaller hole. The smaller hole goes against the horn. Don't be an idiot like I did and put it the other way. Now I'm going to have to take that big screw, mount it under there, and then I'll connect the wire. Okay, so I mounted it. You can see the horn part is facing down, which is what they want. And I'm going to take the connector wire there, and it snaps perfectly in place, which is nice. Now over here, do the same thing. Okay, this one was a little tighter, and I noticed this one has kind of dots on the top. Not sure why. And it's a little bit silver in the back. So, not sure if it's just one horn, but this one's a Denso. And this one doesn't even say Denso on it. So, we'll see. I'll put the new one on the other side. Okay, both are now on this side and that side. Now it's time to test the horn. See if there's a nice difference or if it's not much. Oh yes, much nicer. Not that little car sound. So I'm happy. I'll try and see if I can edit the video to see it before and after, but not sure. Now, just a note. See all the bugs already on the grill here. I'm going to get a screen, I think, and try and put it there since I have this open, because I like putting bug screens on. Now, there's some online where it'll go on the front, but I'm not so sure I like it there. I'll have to see if I can get one cheap enough, but since I have this open, I think I'm getting a screen, and I'm going to put the screen somehow in front here, which shouldn't be an issue. Just take some twist ties, or not twist ties, but those plastic ones, sturdy ones, and that hopefully will get rid of any bugs coming in. So this is it from the inside.